It was a bright, sunny morning in Little OBJ's neighborhood. The birds were singing, the sky was soft blue, and everything felt peaceful. Little OBJ was in the backyard helping Mommy OBJ water the flowers. "Careful with the hose, OBJ," Mommy OBJ laughed. "I've got it, Mommy," Little OBJ said proudly. Suddenly, "Bah!" Little OBJ froze. Mommy OBJ blinked. Did the flowers just shout?" Little OBJ whispered. "Bah!" This time it was louder. Daddy OBJ stepped outside. "That sounds like a goat." Little OBJ's eyes grew wide. "A goat? In our yard?" They slowly turned around, and there it was. A small white goat with floppy ears chewing Daddy OBJ's hat. Little OBJ walked closer. The goat stopped chewing the hat and blinked. Then it stuck out its tongue. "Bah!" Little OBJ giggled. He looked silly. The goat suddenly jumped onto the flower bed. "Oh no!" Mommy OBJ gasped. The goat began nibbling flowers. "Hey, those are Mummy's favorite flowers!" Little OBJ cried. Daddy OBJ gently tried to shoo it away, but the goat dashed off, straight toward the clothesline. It grabbed a sock and ran. Little OBJ burst into laughter. "This goat is crazy!" Little OBJ ran after the goat. "Stop! That's Daddy's sock!" The goat zigzagged across the yard. It ducked under a chair. It hopped over a bucket. It even jumped onto a small table. Daddy OBJ tried to grab it, but the goat slipped away again. "Bah!" it shouted proudly. Little OBJ stopped running and held his tummy. "I can't stop laughing." The goat suddenly paused and stared at Little OBJ. Then it ran toward the open gate. "Oh no!" Daddy OBJ shouted. The goat escaped into the street. Little OBJ ran to the gate. The goat was now nibbling Mrs. Kemmy's grass. "Bah!" Mrs. Kemmy stepped outside. "Whose goat is this?" Little OBJ raised his hand slowly. "I think it followed us?" The goat suddenly jumped into a small pile of laundry someone left outside. Clothes flew everywhere. Children nearby started laughing. The goat rolled around like it was at a playground. Little OBJ tried to grab it again, but it slipped out of his hands. "Why won't you stay still?" Little OBJ groaned. The goat just blinked innocently. After chasing the goat up and down the street, Little OBJ sat on the curb. "I'm tired," he sighed. The goat stood nearby chewing a leaf, like nothing happened. Little OBJ crossed his arms. "You're not funny anymore." The goat slowly walked closer. Then it gently nudged Little OBJ's shoulder. Little OBJ looked at it. The goat's big eyes looked confused. Not naughty, not mean, just curious. Little OBJ thought for a moment. "Maybe you're not trying to cause trouble." Daddy OBJ walked over. "Sometimes animals don't understand rules the way we do," Daddy OBJ said gently. Little OBJ stood up. "So yelling won't help?" Daddy OBJ smiled. "Probably not." Little OBJ looked at the goat. "Okay, let's try something different." He walked slowly toward the goat. No shouting, no running, just calm steps. The goat tilted its head. Little OBJ gently picked up some grass. "Come here, silly goat." The goat walked toward him, slowly, carefully. Little OBJ held the grass in his hand. The goat walked right up to him and started eating. No running? Little OBJ whispered. The goat stayed still. Daddy OBJ carefully placed his hand on the goat's back. Mummy OBJ brought a small rope. Gently, they guided the goat. No chasing, no yelling, just calm teamwork. And the goat followed them home. Back in the yard, the goat looked much calmer. Little OBJ patted its head. "You're not silly, you're just playful." Just then, a little boy from down the street came running. "Has anyone seen my goat?" Little OBJ smiled. "Is he white with floppy ears?" The boy gasped. "Yes!" They brought the goat to him. "I'm so sorry," the boy said. "He keeps escaping." Little OBJ laughed. "He really likes socks." Everyone laughed. As the goat left with its owner, Little OBJ waved. "Bye, silly goat." Daddy OBJ sat beside him. "What did you learn today?" Daddy OBJ asked. Little OBJ thought carefully. That yelling doesn't always fix things. And that sometimes being calm works better. Mummy OBJ smiled proudly. And Little OBJ grinned. And goats really like socks. Everyone burst into laughter. That evening, Little OBJ sat outside. The yard was quiet again. The flowers were safe. The clothes were back on the line. Little OBJ looked at Mummy OBJ. "Can we get a goat?" Mummy OBJ and Daddy OBJ looked at each other. They slowly smiled. "We'll see." Little OBJ leaned back in his chair. Today had been noisy, messy, funny, and full of lessons. And even though the goat was gone, Little OBJ would never forget the silly goat. Moral of the story: stay calm when solving problems. Animals need patience. Teamwork makes things easier. Sometimes laughter helps us learn.
Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun!